Hello everyone, how are you? Hope you are healthy and safe at home and eating a healthy meal. I'm Dr. Meetu Rastogi, nutritionist, dietitian. In my last video, I talked about Indian thali and its benefits. Today also I'm going to talk about 3 most important condiments in Indian thali, which not only add color, flavor and variety to the meal, but also they deliver small but most powerful dose of micronutrients that may otherwise be missing without them in Indian thali. And also they require no fuel because they can be prepared easily from basic ingredients in our kitchen, and they're usually uncooked. So my first condiment is Indian chutney. Though there are varieties of chutneys available, but my favorite is dhania pudina ki chutney, which is made at home and crushed in grinding stone. You can easily imagine how old this preparation is, and it clearly shows its connection with the stone age. And this nutritious, tangy, spicy chutney, without which our Indian thali is just incomplete. And this chutney is very nutritious and can be made easily with common basic ingredients which are available at home, like mint leaves, coriander leaves, raw mango, little amount of curd, amla. And my mother used to add little peanuts or walnuts to it to add the nutritive value. And this chutney is very nutritious. It is rich in vitamin A, vitamin C, very good for the stomach, and those who have constipation and flatulence problem, it is very good for them, and very good for diabetics and heart patients. Also, it helps in the absorption of all the nutrients which are there in your plate. So my second condiment is homemade fermented pickle, which reminds me to my dadi ke haath ka achar, and which takes me back to her kitchen, which used to be decorated with jars of them, filled with variety of pickles to be consumed with different variety of cuisines. And this homemade fermented pickle is rich in probiotic bacteria, which is very good for the gut health and which renders immunity, which is rich in vitamin B12, vitamin K, vitamin A, and very good for those who have chronic stomach problems like Crohn's disease. And if it is taken in little amount, it can be good for the skin as well, which is rich in antioxidants, so good for heart patients. And yes, those who are BP patient, they should take it in little amount. And it is also good for some kind of cancers like colon cancers and other infections. So my third condiment is raita. Though in America they call it a dip, but in India there is variety of raitas. There is dhania pudine ka raita, kheere ka raita, and varieties of them. I give it to a lot of my patients, those who want to reduce weight, as a detox, salad raita. And this is rich in probiotic bacteria again, like your fermented pickle. And it is a low calorie protein rich snack, very good for the elderly and diabetic patient. It is rich in B12 and the protein is already digested, very good for digestion, constipation, and very good for the gut health.